welcome to my channel. This side Veronica. First of all, it's too hot in India and I'm sick with this summer. This is like too hot. Putting all these things aside, so beauties, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about my new weight loss process which I'm doing, and there is something which I have recently started taking and I want to share this with you guys. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. If you're like me, if you're just thinking of doing this weight loss thing in this quarantine, so let me give you actually some of the beneficial tips which is good and which you should follow, and it will gonna help you in your weight loss thing. So beauties, let me tell you, the first one is that don't forget to take your protein. Protein is must, because like for a few months back when I was doing this weight loss, I was just like, I was not taking protein, I would just stick to my diet, to my gym, and that's it. But now I recently started taking protein and I was just like, this is a very important, this plays a very crucial role. Protein is very must and it will gonna help you a lot in your weight loss. For weight loss beauties, protein is amazing for your skin, for your hair growth, and for your hair texture. It will gonna make your hair too good and your skin too clear and literally amazing. So friends, let me show you actually my protein which I am taking. This is from As It Is. This is soy protein isolate. This is the pack of my protein, and the best thing is that beauties, this is helping me a lot in my weight loss process. This is 1 kg pack actually. The packaging is like too good, too classy, and this black orange combo, I am loving it. So this is As It Is. Let me read some of the beneficial, benefit points, benefit things of this product, that why I opted for this one, why I go for this one. It is like unflavored, no additive added, then this is like preservative free, tested for purity and heavy metals. The things that what this As It Is claim, it says the most expensive element on earth is element of purity. For example, to find an element in the pure form, we As It Is Nutritions are on a mission to provide you with the best of the ingredients from the source in the purest form. Yes, this is the main reason why I choose this As It Is. It is like totally pure and it's totally like heavy metals, and like the best thing, the main thing is that it is like form of purity. So friends, they also recommend me that just go with this As It Is. If you are just thinking of buying some protein, then go with this As It Is. Their protein is really good, so I chose this one and I'm really happy. Oh, you all are curious to know that how it tastes and how much quantity we have to take and everything about it. So let me tell you honestly beauties, it doesn't taste that good. It's like, it is okay. You have to develop that taste. To take protein, you have to develop that taste. It's like a little bit of medicine kind of thing, but trust me, it is totally worth it. So how I take it, what I do, I usually take it like a pre-workout drink. I don't drink it in a milk, I drink in water. I take 1 glass. So with this measuring cup, you can take half of it, or basically beauties, the measurement is 30 grams in 240 ml of warm water. So what I usually do, I take half of it, then I add it in a warm water and then mix it and drink it like before going to gym. So I usually do that. Or the other way of taking this, if you are not liking it, it is not compulsory that you have to take it in water only. You can add it in your meals also. Like whenever I made that oatmeal, I add half spoon of this As It Is protein in that. And what it basically do, it gonna make your meal heavy. It will gonna fill you up like for a longer time, and it will gonna make your meal like good and totally. I usually take 1 cup or like half of it regularly every day. I usually take 1 cup actually. Half I drink in a water, or like half of it I add it in my meal. So that's how I am taking it. This for consuming this protein, because I know many of you are like not going to like the taste actually. So the best way is you can add the powder of this soy protein in your atta, in your roti. Like if you're having that chila kind of thing, you can add this protein in it. You can add it on your oatmeal. I usually do that actually. Adding this on your oatmeal is like the best way. I just love it. And then you can add it in other things also, that this then you can consume it, you can take it, because this is very good, very beneficial in helping you in your weight loss. This will gonna, some of the benefits are these also, that this is sugar free, dairy free, gluten free, then this is yeast free and corn free. This is like a totally a pure form of protein, so that is why I love as it is protein. Share the link of this product in my description box if you are searching for a best protein, and if you are thinking of doing a weight loss, just go with this protein, and this is really good, totally pure and literally beneficial. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, do follow me on Instagram, write your queries, your reviews and everything in the comment section, and I'm surely gonna answer you. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.